Hey kids, meet apple, orange, pear, and watermelon. They're ready for a fun adventure and to show you how awesome and tasty fruits can be. Hi there everyone, I'm Apple. I'm crunchy and sweet. Want a healthy snack? I'm the one to beat. Hey, I'm orange. I'm juicy and bright. Peel me open for a vitamin-filled bite.
I'm sure you're wondering how to create this animation for children. Do not worry, let's head to Canva so that I can teach you how to do so. Please do not forget to subscribe. In Canva, click on Create Design, then click on Video. Go to Element and type in Apple. Then go to Graphics and pick any apple of your choice. Then return back to your Elements after adjusting your apple and type in Cartoon legs. Make sure the element is in graphics, then choose any cartoon legs of your choice. Return back to element and type in cartoon arms. Bring this cartoon arms, duplicate it and flip it horizontally. Next, click on it and go to position and bring it backward. Do that for all of your cartoon arms and legs. Next, go back to element and type in cartoon face. Then make sure it's in graphics. Then I like this one, bring it and adjust it on your apple. Then adjust your apple. Take all the elements that make up your apple cartoon and then group it. You can use the shift key for this. Now your apple cartoon is now whole. Duplicate the page, then ungroup it. Remove the cartoon face. Now you need this apple cartoon to come with only eyes. So go to elements and bring in cartoon eyes. Then I don't like the leg, so I'm just going to edit the leg, crop a part of the leg. Then click on done, duplicate it and shift it to the other side. Go to position and bring it backward. Now you can see I think I like this better. I'm just going to shift it before I go ahead and group it. So click, you can use the shift key, then group it together. So now your apple cartoon is now one. I'll go ahead and duplicate the page again. Then I'll ungroup it. Remove the apple and put aside the eyes. Go back to element and type orange. Make sure it's on graphics. Then bring this orange and position it here. Adjust the arms and the legs. Then bring in the eye. Bring the position back to forward. Now the eyes is now forward. Then I'm going to adjust it a bit. Go ahead and group it. You can use the shift key for this one again. Now you can see my orange is now one. Next, I want an orange cartoon with a face, not just an eye. So I'm going to duplicate the page. Then I'm going to go ahead to ungroup it. Remove the eyes. Then go to element and search for cartoon face. Then bring this cartoon face, adjust it. Adjust everything to my taste. So you just need to adjust it. It mustn't be perfect. So I'll go ahead and group it like this. Group it. You can use the shift key. You can see my orange is now one. Then I'm going to duplicate the page, then ungroup it, remove the eyes aside, then delete the orange and go ahead and type in pear. Make sure it's in graphics, then choose any pear of your choice. I like this one. I'm just going to adjust the hands, the arms. I'm going to adjust the other arm too. So just work on it, adjust it. You can also tilt it. Yeah, then I'm going to bring the face, position it forward, bring the face, adjust the face too. Then I'm going to make sure everything is fine with the pear before I go ahead and group. So I'm just going to click on all of the elements that makes up the pear and group it. Now my pear is now whole. I'm now going to also duplicate the page because I want to make a pear with only the eyes. So I'm going to ungroup it, remove the face and go to elements and type in cartoon eyes. Make sure it's in graphics and bring my cartoon eyes. I'm going to paste it on top of my pear like this. I'm just going to adjust it so that it looks beautiful. So just make sure you like it, then go ahead and group it again. Now my pear is whole with the eyes, so I'm going to duplicate the page and do the same for watermelon. Ungroup it, remove the eyes, then go to element and search in watermelon. Bring it, adjust it like this. Adjust it, then bring the eyes, then position it forward. You can see this is cool. I'm going to go ahead and group it. then it's now whole. I'm going to duplicate this page because I want to make a watermelon with the face. So ungroup it, then remove the eyes, delete the eyes, go to elements and type in cartoon face. Make sure it's in graphics and bring my cartoon face. Adjust it on my watermelon. Yes. Then go ahead and group it as usual. Now you can see my watermelon with the face is whole. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust it first, then download all my fruit. That is the fruit with the face, only the fruit with the face. I'm going to go ahead and download the fruit with the face. So I'm going to do that first to apple. Make sure it's in PNG, then download it. Then go to orange. Make sure I download the orange with the face. Make sure it's also in PNG. You want to download it in PNG, go ahead and do the same to pear. Make sure it's in PNG, then download it because I need it as image. Then I'll also do that to watermelon. Download the one with the face and make sure it's in PNG. Yes, haven't done that. I'm going to head over to animated drawings. I'm going to go ahead and click on try now, then accept. Here I'm going to upload my first cartoon from Canva. Don't forget the one with the face. So I'm going to start with apple. I'm just going to click on open. Yes, I'm going to click on open. Then I'm going to click on next. Then I'm going to click on next. Now it is finding the characters, but I'm just going to click on next, which will take me to where it will highlight all my character. Make sure your characters are highlighted and all their joints are marked. So now you can see my apple will come out jumping. You can use any animation you want. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using the jumping and the waving animation. So I'm going to return back to the jumping one. Click on this expand button. Yes, then I'll click on these three dots to download my jumping animation. I'm also going to do that for the waving one. You see, click on this expand button, click on the three dots, then click on download. Now I have downloaded my apple. I'm going to go back to start over, then upload. Go ahead and upload the orange cartoon with the face. Make sure I find all the characters and highlight them, and also make sure all the joints are marked. So now you can see it is jumping. I'm going to download it too. I'm also going to download the waving one. Click on the expand button, then click on these three dots, then download the waving animation for orange. Go ahead and click on start, then upload that of pear. Click on next, click on next. Okay, now I'm going to make sure all my characters are found. Yes, and then I'm going to click on next. Then I'm going to make sure all my characters are highlighted and all their joints are marked. Then click on next. Then click on this expand button to download the jumping one. Go back and then download the waving animation. I'm just going to click on this expand panel, the three dots, then click on download. Go back to start over, click on upload and bring in the watermelon with the face. I'm going to click on next. Make sure all of the characters are highlighted. Just make sure all of my characters are in the box. Then make sure all of the joints are marked. Then click on next. I'm going to click on this expansion panel to download the jumping watermelon. I'm also going to do that to the waving watermelon. Click on the expand button, then download the waving watermelon. Next, I'm going to head to 11 Labs and drop in the text for my voiceover. Then I'm going to go ahead and choose the voiceover artist. I'm just going to click on this drop down and type in animation because I want the voice to be animation. I'm going to click on generate. Now it's generating my voiceover. Okay, it's done generating my voiceover. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to history. I'm going to go to history, then click on this download, then download it in MP3. Then I'm going to go back and drop in another of my text for the next voiceover. I'm going to click on generate, go to history, and also download it. I'm going to do that for all my voiceover. Then I'm going to head to Adobe Express. Here I'm going to go change my character to happy. Click on browse and bring in my voiceover from 11 Labs, then wait for it to animate. Now you remember the cartoon you downloaded in Canva with only the eyes without the mouth. This serves as the mouth. Then next click on download to download your animated mouth. Just click on the download button. Now that it has downloaded, go to back, click on back, then click on browse again, then bring in another audio from 11 Labs, wait for it to animate. Wait for it to animate the character. Download it, go to back again in this yellow character called ticket, then go and bring the voiceover. This is going to be the voiceover introducing your animation. Then wait for it to animate. Here now you can go, after downloading this one, you can go ahead and animate all of your voiceovers from 11 Labs. Download this one, then animate your other voiceovers. Then return back to Canva and download all your cartoons without the mouth, that is those ones with only eyes. Go ahead and download them in PNG. I'm just going to download the apple, then the pear with only the eyes in PNG. I'm going to do the same to watermelon. Nice. So head back to Canva, click on create design, then click on video. Now what you are going to do is that you are going to upload everything you downloaded from 11 Labs, animated drawing, and Canva. You're going to upload everything into Canva because you are going to be using them now. Wait for it to finish uploading. Okay, please do not forget to subscribe if you are still watching up till this moment. Thank you so much. Next, you are going to go back to elements and choose a background. It could be nature or cartoon background. Go to elements and type in bird, click on graphic, then animate the bird from the beginning of the background to the end. Choose the movement style and speed. Next, go and type in tree, then pick 2 trees. I'll just pick this one and these other ones. I think I like this butterfly. I'm going to also pick it to, jazz up my background. So having done that, I'm going to go to video and bring in tickets, remove the background of the ticket to remove the green background. Next, I'm going to bring this apple and also remove the background. I'm also going to go ahead and bring the orange, do the same thing and remove the background. Do the same thing for the pear, remove the background. Okay, I think I'm going to change the orange to this watermelon. Next, I'm going to duplicate the page, then remove all the cartoons I brought in. I'm just going to remove them because I'm going to first fruit, which is apple. I'm going to go to elements and choose shape, adjust the shape, change the color and play with the color a bit. Then I'm going to go to text and bring in apple, change the color of the text to white. Then go ahead and click on animation in order to animate the text. Next, I'm going to go to upload and bring in this apple, remove the background of the apple, then adjust it. Go ahead again to videos and bring in the mouth. Now I'm going to remove the background and adjust it on the apple, then group the mouth and the apple together. Now my apple is now whole. Go back to elements and bring in apple tree and apple basket, arrange it in my background like this, duplicate the page, remove all the accessories for apple, go back to upload and bring in my orange, remove the background for the orange, adjust it, go to video and bring in the mouth for orange, remove the background, then adjust it. Do not forget to group it. Yes, group it like this. Then you can see your orange is whole. Go back to elements and type in orange tree, bring the tree for orange and fix it somewhere in the background. Bring apple basket and fix it on the rock. You can see. Then duplicate it again and remove all the aesthetic for orange. Go back to upload and bring in watermelon. Remove the background for watermelon. Go to the mouth for watermelon, remove the background, then fix it on your watermelon, and do not forget to group it together. So now next, go to element and type in watermelon farm. Bring in watermelon basket and adjust on the rock, then bring in the watermelon fruit. Change the name of the fruit from orange to watermelon. Also, do not forget to group your watermelon. So I'm just going to change the text like this. Do the same for pear. Then go ahead, click on share, MP4 and download. Now you have downloaded your cartoon. Please do not forget to subscribe.